Hey guys, it's Casey, and somebody recommended to me I should do this, eat this for you guys. I'm gonna eat a raw lemon. So, yeah. I gotta eat it one-handed because I have to hold the camera up. And it is a real lemon. It's real. So, come on, split apart. Come on. Hello, what?
What are you doing?
I'm eating red lemons.
Why?
Because I have to.
For what?
Video.
Oh, you're videotaping yourself. You can take the mirror off the computer.
I know.
Oh,
But I need the light on. Thank you. I actually eat raw lemons a lot. I just, yeah. I actually have to eat raw lemons sometimes to help my singing voice, since you guys know I do sing. Sometimes you get the wrong spot and it just, so nasty sometimes. I hate eating this with one hand. It's horrible. My face is freezing up. Okay, I'm done with that piece. I can't get a new piece. I'm only gonna eat a couple pieces because I don't have time to sit here and tear lemons apart. I'm trying to tear it apart. I can't do it. Yummy! Okay, I can't do this. I can't bloody do this. I can't do it, guys. So yeah, that was me eating lemons for you guys. Patrick, I hope you're happy. You saw me suffer. Are you happy now? And my lips are all sour. Alright, bye.